Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another www.kavasewer.com video podcast review. Really excited to be doing another review today. Finalizing the triplicate, the trifecta of Kava Vinaka's first offering of Fijian kavas on the market. And today I'm going to be looking at the Lawena, Kava Vinaka Lawena. Just to recap, I started last week by doing a review of Chief's Choice, which is a luxurious, really supple, full-flavored kava that has a very nice nose and nice flavors to it, nice nutty flavor to it, good soothing, relaxing effects, and is an 11% kava lactone by Dry Weight Kava. And then I went on to review the powerhouse Kava Vinaka Waka, in my Waka in a Winter Wonderland video review, and that one boasts a stunning 14.2% kava lactones by Dry Weight level. And the Lawenas, generally speaking, are a little bit lighter, a little bit more, day, the weekday, kind of day drinking kavas that are good for, kind of tackling stress and anxiety issues. And so, like any other Lawena, I expect that from this one, which is really great, which is what a lot of people are looking for in kava, is a kind of a medicinal product. So the Kava Vinaka Lawena has, not surprisingly, a 7.2% kava lactone rate by Dry Weight, and as such, wouldn't give you that kind of couch locked feeling that you would get from a Waka or something like a Chief's Choice, or something like Number One from Bula Kava House, or a hard hitting Vanuatuan kava. So when I'm reviewing a Lawena, I usually keep that in mind, that I'm kind of expecting more of a sedative, a sedating kind of feeling, a relaxing feeling, a de-stressing a de-stressing feeling, kind of perfect for the end of a long day, kind of like today was. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to be looking for a lot of bright color, a bright white color to the kava. Lawena typically has the stump has that brighter, whiter color than the lateral roots that tend to have more dark soil type colors. So yeah, third offering from Kava Vinaka. This is the Lawena, and I'm going to go ahead and knead up a batch. Bula. All right, so I've mixed up the Lawena, the Kava Vinaka Lawena, and my beautiful Tanoa here. The Kavafied sells on their website, and I'm gonna pour myself some Lawena here. It's got nice. Whoops! Oh, that's a major tragedy there. It's got a nice creamy color to it, kind of white chocolate colored. A little browner than that, but creamy, nice creamy color. I would imagine has a nice creamy taste. Mbula. Very smooth, very delicate, very nutty. It's got all those good Lawena notes, those creamy, kind of cashewy flavors. The stump, the corm, is so famous for on a kava plant. Absolutely fantastic flavor profile. This would be a very good kava for those people that you might hang out with who don't like the flavor of kava. It doesn't have any pepperiness to it whatsoever. Just a nice, smooth, silky nuttiness. Mbula. All right, I'm gonna continue to drink this kava. About a liter of it, liter and a half, and get some numbness here. It's good. Lawenas don't always bring the tingling flavor effect, but there it is. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to drink this Lawena. Just so you know, I did about 6 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons to about 1.5 liters of water. Started with hot water as I normally do, squeezing. Added some cold filtered water, kept squeezing until the macas had that really nice woody, kind of sandy feel to them, so that I knew all the oil was gone from the kava. And then I poured it into the tanoa, and voila, kava. All right, I'll see you. I'll let you know how it affects me in a few minutes. Mula. All right, so I've had about 6 or 7 shells of the Kava Vinaka Lawena, and what I would say is, first of all, it's an amazing kava, and second of all, it's a really, really sleepy, relaxing, anti-anxiety kava. It really, really does a number on any kind of tension or anxiety that you might have, and really does put you in that perfect frame of mind that you want to be able to kind of fall asleep with. Slower thoughts, relaxed body, really, really strong behind the eyes. But still clarity of thought. Everything, all your faculties are still there. No irritability. Some of those more peppery kavas can give you. The Lawena is a really good medicinal grade from Vinaka Waka. Is a really Kava Vinaka is a really good medicinal grade, kind of soothing anti-anxiety kava, perfect for sleep. It's really kind of hard to get it into words at this point, but it's got the great taste. It's got that characteristic kind of creamy color to it. Smooth. Doesn't cause you to gag when you drink it. Mula. One of the best Lawenas I've had. Has a very fresh taste to it. I'll definitely be ordering another bag of this to keep on hand for kind of sleepless, anxiety-filled days. And solid, cycle of home runs here from Kava Vinaka. One for right field, one for center field, one for left field. Chief's Choice, Waka, Lawena, Kava Vinaka. I don't know if my coupon is still working, but if you go to their website and you enter in lowercase Kavasur, you should still be able to get a discount. And if you can't, it's because the maximum number was reached. But that's it for Kava Vinaka. Next week, I'll be looking at, or this week rather, at number 1 and Akau, and I'll be doing a little revisit to Stone, Knock 'em All at Home Stone, and Solomon Kava, and I'll be getting some Isa, some Hawaiian Isa, some Hawaiian Kava, cultivated in Hawaii, and of the variety Isa, which is a Hawaiian Kava, and I'll be doing a review of that as well. There's going to be a lot of really interesting kavas coming out soon from Root of Happiness, from various kind of new countries, or new countries on the kava scene. So, all right, everybody, much love from the Kava Sewer, peace in the kava world. Let's keep it peaceful out there, and let's practice the peace that the plant sings. So, all right, Bula, catch you next time.